Hi, tatay and nanay. Happy 60th anniversary. Alak man dati ang gundaway, kagpasalamat kada kayo. Nang runa iti parang kalibabay yung kanya, bayat iti panagubing ko, kadagbay na kastoy, guwapo, natarapi. In behalf of my family, we wish you a very happy 60th wedding anniversary with my family. And Julie too.
Hello po tatay, nanay. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon po at nagkaroon po kami ng mga magulang po na kagaya ninyo. Happy 60th anniversary, and we every time pray, maski malayo po kami sa inyo, na magkaroon po kayo ng marami pa pong anniversary at malayo po sa ano pa mang sakit. We love you and miss you. Take care po always, and kumusta po sa inyong lahat dyan.
Sana nandyan din kami to celebrate with you, but we're so far away. Pero ang puso namin nasa inyo, and we're praying that you will have a great celebration on your 60th wedding anniversary. We love you, we miss you, God bless. Love you, nanay, tatay.
Hi nanay, tatay, kumusta kayo dita? Sa pala umakit na ano
Karadkad.
nasa lunat kay nakaradkad kay lata. We miss you. Uray kaya't minga dita kami kumakit. Adayo kami met, so sa pala tandaanan yung adito'y kayo puspuso mi. We love you and we miss you. God bless. Happy 60th anniversary.
Happy 60th anniversary, Nanay, Tatay. Hope we can see you when we go to the Philippines. We love you. God bless.
Happy
60th
wedding
anniversary.
We
love
love
you.
you. God
Always
bless.
and God bless.
Bye-bye.
Mama, chup chup.
Mama, love you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
God willing.
God bless you all.
Dali ka na.
Regards to all.
Kasalungan.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok nyo,
Kahit
wala nang
mawala.
love you.
We love you.